Good morning guys, we have Toshiba semi-automatic washing guys. This is the model BH1250SV. The problem of this washing is program for wash is not working, and also the spin program not also working. The spin motors and the wash motor is not even spinning. So let's start to fix this. Ano? Grounded yung linya.
Saan?
Yung sa ano, sa linya sa loob. Inano na namin yan. Hindi na namin dinada sa linya eh. So let's fix this, but it's been fixed by someone before. So see? The problem I found is the triac is shorted, guys. The triac is shorted. I gonna show you. The triac is shorted. This is the old one. This is a BTA 208 triac. Triac ACR. Triac and ACR, you can swap both. This is same. They are same, guys. Sorry for my English, guys. I'm trying to speak English. Let's replace that. I see this is a Samsung top load. I think this is good. It's good. Let's remove this and place. Remove this and replace these two triac, guys. Keep on watching, guys, and please keep in touch, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Hello, brother. Where are you? I need your help now. They have.
Even in my heart, I'm not feeling well today, guys, because yesterday I got a fever. So I'm thinking today I will not go to work, but I don't know why I'm here now again. Keep on working. So it's hard to work with not feeling good, guys. Let's check the triac, guys, for my camera. Tomorrow I will be buying tripod. Let's check triac. Saan ka pumunta? Gumawa, master?
Huh?
0.15. Okay, I think this is good. What's the number of this? This is a BTA. This is a 12 ampere. It's okay. It's okay, better than BTA 208, 204. I think BCRM 12 is good. This is a 200 volts and 12 ampere. Where's the instruction? I'm gonna miss you forever. Gonna miss you, girl. Isip na magagawa mo sa akin ito. Yeah, you can change to wait for me. Is there wrong for yes, and baby, you're that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, listen to how to sing. Remove this and then put it na. Where's my flat screw? Where's my flat screw there? Where's my flat screw? I need flat screw, guys. You have come to surrender, but you are suffering. Something is not totally. Esperanza, kahit na kaibigan, ang pagsuyo na nasa iyong balikan. Saan babot ang iyong pangarap? Hintay sa iyong bukas. Hoping resistor is not.
Master,
Hmm.
paano to gawin ano, Master? How would you marahal? Jadi dulu.
At master.
Ada jadi kulutan. No. Oh. Yes, yung tayo ada jadi dulu. Ada jadi dulu. Yung tapidali ba ba? At este jadi. Yo ala jadi dulu. Yung jadi. Oh.
Bakit?
Mga ganito forward, Master.
Subukan mo lang yung ano, master.
Yung hanapin dito.
Itim tsaka ano, kung magpa-power on. Ay, yung ikot. Saan ba yung power supply ko? May power supply ako dyan sa klase. Yung 12 volts. Ba't hindi umikot yan? Hindi umikot.
Itong isa. Hindi.
And then, master, sa taas.
Master?
Yan, master. Nauuwa ko lahat. Nauuwaw. Punta ko ng bakalo. Diyan yung kulay ano? Ayan yung master. Ang ginagawa ko dyan master yung ano eh. Blue, ayan yung kulay pula tsaka kulay itim. Pag hindi umandar master, itulak yan mo. Pag short mo yung dilaw sa kulay pula. Pag hindi naman yung dilaw ang itong short mo. Hindi ko naman kalimutan ko. Tumala sa isang tabi, hindi napakali. Ang aking nakaraan. Di lubos maisip, bakit nagkayo? Let's check our connection guys, if it's connected or not. Nakawal. Okay. Huh? Okay. Ang pinag-ship ko din na plano. Ayaw mo ito. Subukan mong pagsamahin yung kulay puti. Ipitik mo lang. Kasi pag mga ganyan na forward, parang pinipitik siya.
Pitik sa...
Sa pula. Subukan mo man ang supply niya. Ano. Umilaw na ba yung ano? Meron ba? Wala pang supply. Hindi nang saksak eh.
Kaya pala.
Ayan.
Yun.
Ayan. Ayan.
Nadami.
Pag parang baliktad. Let's check resistor guys if it's good or not. I was wrong when I heard you. Did you have to hear me too? Wala. Sige, ano mo yung pulot, yung dilaw. Kalabitin mo din sa kulay pula. Kalabitin mo. Kalabitin mo. Sama mo si master. Sama mo si pinaka-master ng capacitor pala to. Capacitor.
Grabe.
Wala. Sira yan.
Siyempre.
Ito bago to.
Straight jadid. Straight jadid. There is no resistor here. Mungkin ada 5 kili.
Possible of this the resistor is in the other control. Let's try first. If nothing happen, here we need to open other.
Sa anong control yung mister? Yung sa malaki?
Toshiba to na, ano?
Yung malaking machine?
Yung Toshiba na ginagawa ni na Mr. Tony. Pinag-ano kasi nila to eh. Yung pinaglaro-laruan ko rin. Nagsama-sama pa naman yung spin tapos yung
Ha?
nagsama-sama yung spin tapos yung machine. Pero mahirapan talaga yung trike mo. Let's try guys. I will get Spire Stabilizer. Let's try if it's working or not. If nothing happened, we need to open this other control because the signal of triac is coming here. I don't see, I can see resistor this in this board, only capacitors and maybe it's running inside this. Okay, try. Hoping it will work.
ناتشا واحدة في غسالة ب 45 دينار، ناتشا واحدة مش خمس.
Ating nakaraan. Nilubos maisip. Bakit nagkalayo? Yan. I will electrical tape.
في الموضوع تريح في الطريق يعني فاهم انت؟ الطريق برضه.
Keep in touch guys. Let's first fix some wiring here because it's not, there's no electrical tape. Ako'y may natutunan sa aking karanasan. Muli ang magmahal na gawin ng lubusan. Masaktan kung tayo iiwanan. Kasalanan bang mahalin ka ng lubusan? Highway run into the midnight sun. Listen to my love, without my moving on tonight. Listen to my love. Let's try guys. Let's try. Try. Hoping this machine is start. It's working now. It's spinning. It must be reversed. It's okay guys. It's working. The wash motor is okay. It's meow meow ha. It's meow meow. Let's try spin. Spin motors. Let's try spin. What? I can press even the start. It's already spinning. It's already spinning. It's meow meow. It's already okay. Don't forget to subscribe guys. And keep on watching and follow my page guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. Isa Toshiba